What's going on, guys? Welcome to episode 7, the cleanup phase. In case you guys missed the post, the rear sump oil pan's on its way. Should be here in the next few days. So in the meantime, we're gonna clean up this engine bay and then maybe underneath these wheelhouses as well, just to kind of get things nice and tidy. So that way when all this stuff goes together, I can just drop it in and start doing my mock-ups and everything. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, this kind of sucks a little bit. About 35 seconds in, my GoPro stopped recording, and that has never happened to me before. And it took me several hours to get everything out of this engine bay, and I removed the entire interior. A lot of stuff. I mean, it filled up the bed of the truck, and I don't have any time lapse to show. So a little bit of a bummer there, but what can you do, you know? Luckily, I haven't started cleaning yet, so I can make some footage there, I suppose. But yeah, I got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna get to it. So yeah, I'm definitely giving this Harbor Freight steam cleaner a 5-star review. That made quick work of all the dirt and grime in the engine bay. I think it looks pretty good. It didn't even take the whole morning just to get it done. Granted, it's not perfect, but you know, pulling the engine in and out, I don't have to worry about my hands being filthy and my arms getting filthy or anything like that. Make things a little bit easier in that regard. I mean, it did a pretty good job, all things considered. So yeah. That's gonna go ahead and conclude this episode, but before I let you go, check this out. Look what came in days early. I was actually kind of surprised. It's the oil pan. So now I can start working on episode 8. Yeah, came with the oil pans right here and the pickups underneath, but I'll unbox this later. for that episode. So catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.